this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Ford. So first of all, open any browser and then just type in Ford and then jobs and click on enter. And then from here, you need to click on Ford careers at the top. And once you do that, you will find the section, the landing page of all the careers that Ford is offering at this moment. So you can join their team by selecting a role type. So you can just select US professionals, for example. Then you can select a location. So let's say you want in California, then you're going to select this. And then you can also select a role or a skill, and then you can click on search jobs. So let's go ahead and do this. And then it will ask you to streamline the process by uploading your resume already. So you can just go ahead and select file and paste it in already, or you can just skip it and do it later. But right now we can scroll down and then we can find all of the options that are in California at this moment. And you can also click on advanced options in here. And in here you can select the department as well, and the seniority and your relevant skills and your workplace type. So on-site, hybrid or remote. So let's say you're looking for something in finance, then I'm going to select finance in here. And then everything will automatically be refreshed. So then you just need to wait if something is popping up. And right now there are no relevant jobs in finance. So let's select a different area or just select no area at all. And then to show you how it works, I'm just going to click on electrical engineer, and then you will see everything about this job in the screen. And you can also click on apply now and upload your resume already. I'm just going to click on apply now, and now it will still ask you to upload your resume. And after you have done that, you will go to the application process. And after that, your application will be sent and reviewed by Ford. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.